Hello, Niranjan. Because our conference call not was not happen. For that reason, I tried to create the video and explain what I wanted to tell you about the in the conference. So here I did very important. It almost depends from this routine, and the discipline will depends your success in this business. It's very important to you to do your daily task, what I mentioned. But in order to do some topic of the day, as you can see, duration, what to do from the beginning to the end on the every day from Monday to Friday. And now today I wanted to show about the free forums. As you know, I gave you the list. I gave you the big list of the forums. That's a great forum list where many networkers come to discuss about their business. So here's the link. In this doc file you will find the link where you can go and teach how to market on forums. So as you know, SigniChat, okay, SigniChat, I will give you a special SigniChat for our GDI business, for our marketing system. And now I just want to show you post topic in the forums. Okay, scroll down. I want to show you that you need to how you need to market on these forums. Here you can see the link, so here you will be able to listen the audio. So my recommendation, don't copy and paste articles from one forum to another, because doing like this way I was banned from many forums. And of course it works, but it need to learn how to do that. So that a bit more difficult than just for new people like you. And let's say as the beginning for you, you stick with posting replies to replying to other posts in forums, okay? So here is very important when you go entire the all list I gave you that you register it, and they allow SigniChat, of course. Here's the SigniChat examples. Okay, let me open the file. I just attach you on the email. So SigniChat here for the MLM hit list, 4 lines, 3 lines and 2 lines. It depends from forum rules. Some forum allow 3 lines, 4 or 2 lines, or even only 1 line. If there's only 1 line, so you can be able to write the text and provide this as a live link to be clickable to your MLM hit list affiliate link, okay? So it depends from forum rules. When you register in forum rules, first of all, go to introduction section, introduce yourself, where you are living, what you are doing, what you are interested in, what people you want to meet, and such things to introduce to forum members. So as I said, let's firstly stay focused replying to other posts. So firstly, what you need to find, going entire the forum list and going entire the sections in these forums. As you saw in forums, there are many sections about Facebook, Twitter, advertising, traffic generation, PPC campaigns, general chat, and so on. There are many sections, you can go which one you like the most, which you want to talk about. Okay, so when you go look, most important is the views and replies. Reply to post, please pay attention, reply to post, that there are not too much replies. As you can see here, 244 replies, over 30,000 views. Don't reply to the when you find such a statistic, don't reply to these posts. Don't post your reply. Okay, you need to find as much as possible views, not less than 200 views and not more than 30 replies. Okay, let me explain why. Because let's say you post your reply in this post where 244 replies. If you post your reply, your reply will be 245th, right? So nobody will want to read the last 245 replies. Visitors read first 20-30 replies. So don't post to the post there more than 30 replies. Okay, and at least 200 views. Here, as you can see, such a huge amount of views, over 5,000. So in forums there you will find many sections to talk about. You are interesting to talk with these people. Okay, so that's what I want to say you about the forums, and that you would stick with that for the first your experience, for the first experience for marketing into forums. Don't do copy pasting as here provided the first, because it needs some specific things, and as for new member, stick with this second one. Okay, as I mentioned, look not more than 30 replies and at least 200 views. 200. Here you can see 5,000, over 5,000. So here what I wanted to explain you to do. So when you register, provide the signature file I give you in this, okay, and provide your MLM hit list affiliate link. And also you can use bit.ly. I go to bit.ly, bit.ly, go to this site. It's free site. Sign up and you will be able to track the URLs. Here you can see my clicks, statistics, and when you click info page, here you will see where the traffic comes from. Okay, so you will be able to track your statistic, where people clicking in which forum people clicking your signatures. That's very important to track the clicks. Okay, so okay, now that's the main idea what I wanted to say you in this video. And of course follow the routine of the daily. Here you can see Monday is for searching new traffic exchanges, new save list and new forums, and checking the mailboxes. Okay, so now here Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. Now it's the time to take action on these 3 days, posting into the forums. And the statistics show posting is minimum 3 times a week, and about 15-25 replies, with minimum 2 sentences in forums, entire the list, and spend it about 2 hours a day. Okay, of course I recommend you to create the email for that, for forums. For example, niranyan.forum@yahoo.com. Here you can see the traffic exchanges. Traffic exchanges, you can find many of them, and look here, John Keeler explain very nicely how to test them, how to know this traffic exchange is good or not good. Okay, so that's it in this video. Next time I will teach you how to create own captcha page, how to set up autoresponder, and which service to use to maintain the autoresponder and the captcha page, and how to host it into your GDI account. So that's it for today. Bye bye, see you next time.